After more than 50 years, humans have finally returned from the moon. A mission that pushed the limits of technology, tested the edge of human survival, and brought astronauts farther than any human has gone in decades. But what really happened during those 10 days in deep space? And why is this mission so important for the future of humanity? This is the story of Artemis II. On April 1st, 2026, NASA launched one of the most powerful rockets ever built. Inside it, 4 astronauts, on a journey not to land, but to go farther than any human since the Apollo era. This mission wasn't just about reaching the moon. It was about proving that we can go back and go even further. Unlike the Apollo missions, Artemis II did not land on the moon. Instead, it performed something called a lunar flyby. The spacecraft traveled hundreds of thousands of kilometers, looped around the moon, and used its gravity to slingshot back toward Earth. This path allowed NASA to test everything: navigation, life support, communication, and most importantly, human endurance in deep space. For nearly 10 days, the crew lived in the Orion spacecraft, far beyond Earth's protective atmosphere. They experienced deep space radiation, extreme isolation, and the psychological pressure of being farther from Earth than most humans in history. At one point, they were over 400,000 kilometers away from Earth. Looking back, our planet appeared as nothing more than a small blue dot in the darkness. But the most dangerous part of the mission was not going to the moon. It was coming back. As the spacecraft re-entered Earth's atmosphere, it reached speeds of over 25,000 miles per hour. The heat shield faced temperatures hotter than lava, and for a few intense minutes, communication with Earth was completely lost. This phase is known as blackout, and it's one of the most critical moments of any space mission. Then finally, the parachutes deployed. The capsule slowed down and gently splashed into the Pacific Ocean. After 10 days in deep space, the astronauts were finally home, safe. But Artemis II is not the end. It's just the beginning. This mission proved that humans can survive and operate in deep space again. And now, NASA is preparing for something even bigger. Artemis III, a mission that aims to land humans on the moon once again, and this time, to stay longer and build the future. After half a century, humanity has taken its first step back toward the moon. The question is no longer, can we go back? Now it's, how far can we go next? And just like that, humanity takes another step forward. Not just back to the moon, but towards something bigger than all of us. Artemis II isn't just a mission. It's a reminder that we're explorers, by nature dreamers by design, and no distance is too far when we move together. If this moment gave you even a small sense of wonder, then you're already part of this journey. So stay with us, because the next giant leap is closer than you think. Subscribe, and let's explore the universe together.